it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share my go-to 60-second messy bun. I love wearing my hair like this, and of course when I'm feeling really lazy, I'll just flip my hair upside down and gather it into a scrunchie, but I do find it always flops to one side and like I can feel a little hairs getting ripped out when I wear my hair like that. So this is how I take a couple extra seconds and style it a bit so that it lasts and it looks pretty cute. So I hope you guys like my tips and tricks in here, and if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you do like the makeup look that I'm wearing, it's pretty much the Brooke Shields in the Blue Lagoon tutorial I did last year, but everything's a little bit more amplified. So I will have that one linked, and I've been loving your guys' photos. You've been tagging me a lot more on Instagram. I know we all have a lot more spare time right now, so I thought I would do a makeup giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see how to enter. And anyways, let's get started with this bun. Here I'm starting out with second day hair, and this is how mine air dries, so it's mostly straight but has a bit of wave to it, and it's totally optional to use dry shampoo, but if you need to, I wanted to share my favorite right now. It's the OGX Kandee's Pop Glam Mermaid Dust Dry Shampoo. It smells amazing and I just love the mermaid theme. I really like this one and then the Batiste dry shampoos, so let me know if you have a favorite dry shampoo in the comments. I'm just spraying this into the roots and massaging in. We start to get a bit more volume. And if your hair is silky and fine and you find it falls out of a messy bun easily, I love to use a flexible hold hairspray and quickly spray through the ends of my hair, and then I'll back comb very lightly, again just to the ends to give some texture to hold it in place. Hold your hair up and shake out, letting any shorter hairs fall out for an undone look. I have certain shorter pieces that I know I like pulled down, so I'm just bringing those forwards to frame the face and give the bun an undone style. Plus, it definitely makes the hairline look thicker to have those hairs in front instead of the finer hairs pulled backwards where you can see more scalp. And here's my go-to messy pony. I would just put an elastic in here, and this is a style I've worn on Insta. But for my bun, I go no elastic because it's easier to have smooth hair going into the bun, and since my hair is thinner, it does stay better without an elastic weighing it down. But if you do have thicker hair, using an elastic first and then moving on to the next steps would be really helpful. Here's my go-to bun technique. Twist about halfway down your length and spin around into a loop shape. With the ends of the hair that are not twisted, continue to wrap around the base. When you have that first loop in place, loosen up the top and mess with it until you like how it looks, and then wrap the ends around the whole bun one more time. I like this because it keeps it secured, and I really like having the ends out the back or the side for, again, that cool undone look. Now use a couple bobby pins. I use about 5, and you really want these to be at the back to secure them. The higher on your head, the easier this bun will stay put. And you're done. If you want to take some selfies and kind of style the bun like the pictures I posted, instead of using a heat tool that takes more time and damages your hair, just add some texture and movement to those face framing pieces by using a flexible hold hairspray to give them more of a piecey look with a bit of wave. There's the go-to messy bun. I hope you'll show me your messy bun over on Instagram. A perfect look for upcoming summer, chillin', having a coffee, and I showed this adorable mug in the intro. I'll try to find it on the internet and link it, but my boyfriend got it for me and it had flowers in it, so I don't know where the florist got that mug, but I also designed a mug on my merch store that's super girly and fun, so check out my Good Morning mug if you're interested for a new one. I hope you enjoyed my go-to messy bun, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pop culture videos. This video, I've refilmed it 3 times, like 3 days in a row. Here are all the versions of the messy buns, but my camera was set to auto and it kept like getting really grainy, so I just don't know how to work this camera after 7 years. But yeah, we finally have done it. I hope this footage is okay. But if you notice, some of my tanner is like nuts. I was really frustrated that my footage didn't work out and I just had a nap and I left the self tanner on too long. So now I have some streakiness, but just ignore it. And anyways, to finish off this look, I'm wearing Free People. I love Free People stuff. They are pretty pricey, so again, I always say like try Poshmark or Depop because people sell tons of Free People stuff on there, but this is a new one and I have been living in it literally for 4 days straight. That's the quarantine wardrobe. But let me know what you guys are doing to stay busy. Oh, and that leads me to the giveaway. I thought it would be fun to give away some products, so I picked out some stuff that I got from PR and I thought it all went nicely together. So this is a new Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. We have this one, and then a little skincare, the Fourth Ray Beauty The Daily Facial Moisturizer, and the Daily Eye Cream. I haven't tried this specific one. I took it out of the boxes just to minimize packaging, but I'm sure it's great because I really love their avocado mask. So they're the sister brand to ColourPop, and I picked out a ColourPop blush. This is the pressed powder blush in Catch My Vibe from one of their newer collections. Two lip products. This is the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Fast Lane. It's a really beautiful pinky shade, and then to go with it, I picked out the Super Lustrous The Gloss Revlon lipstick, and it has Ashley Graham's signature on here. So if you want to win these awesome goodies, as I said, just comment down below how you've been keeping busy during this time, and then your Instagram handle or any other social media you have, and I'll randomly select a winner next week. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I had a breakdown yesterday, oh my gosh, so if you're having a rough time, like, woo, I feel ya, but yeah, this morning too, actually, I had a breakdown because it was so loud. Someone decided to play the flute for like 4 hours, I swear. Maybe it was the flute. I have footage. But there was a flute, there was construction, and then as soon as that stopped, someone was banging on a garbage can. Hours. I'm so glad that I got to film this because I really thought it was just gonna last the whole day, but luckily it didn't. So I hope everyone is keeping it together, and again, I would love for you to try out this messy bun, and I've been loving all your tagged pictures, and I will see you guys in my next video.